Hi, in this video we will be discussing about content development. This is first part of the module on web content development and management. Let us start with the basics. Let us try to understand what is content development. Or rather, let us start understanding the concept of a content itself. Content is what we publish, which could be in the form of text, graphics, audio, video. It refers to anything that can be captured and reproduced in a communication medium such as print, television, radio, web, etc. Content refers to any presentation of information that has a definite purpose to an audience through some kind of a channel in a particular media form. In this definition, we see 5 major components: information, purpose, audience, channel, and form. Let us now examine each of this in details. Information is the combination of the most important ideas audience needs to know and the key details like evidence, explanation and examples that support those ideas. When we design a content to achieve a specific goal or purpose, it is most successful. Stating the goal explicitly enhances the development of content that resonates with the target audience. It is important to identify the people we want to reach, their concerns and their questions. Then only we will be able to provide appropriate content where relevance and resonance meet. Form will depend on how we plan to reach out our audience and present information. Once a decision on how to present is taken, then comes consideration on the form. The media type, size or length, style, etc. needs to be considered. It is very important to identify the channels that the audience tunes into. This could be through broadcast or web-based channels, including social media, or through the mobile applications. Web content refers to the textual, oral or visual content published on a website. Web content can be categorized into 2 types. It could be textual content with the graphics, images, etc. embedded in it. Or it could be a multimedia content that includes audio, video, animation, simulation, etc. The success of a website essentially depends on the content that goes into it. An interesting quotation by Dr. Seuss is that words and pictures are yin and yang. Married, they produce a progeny more interesting than either parent. So choose your content text appropriately, combining it with the images to give the best effect. Website is merely a communication tool for communicating a message effectively that motivate your audience to take appropriate action, or in other terms, it should connect with the audience, engage them and convert them. Effective website content are those ultimately generates the results that you want, that is, to attract visitors to your site and they find it useful and relevant. For creating good content, it is important to be sure that the content has a specific appeal to the target audience. The content has to be original, different, unique and not commonly found in other websites or other media. It also needs to be interesting and informative. Finally, the content should be easy to understand and use plain English or any other language so as to reach the large audience. To ensure success, content strategy and development must be properly planned out and actioned. To start with, consider the 5 W's. Who is your user or visitor to your site? What they are looking for and what you can offer to them. When they need the products and services and when they are likely to visit your website. For instance, before the exams, the students will be visiting the library site more to refer to the e-journals and books. From where they are coming to your website, through a search engine or another site providing link to your site. Why are they looking for your website? The answers to these questions should form the foundation of your website content. Your content development plan needs to be smart. It must be specific, that is, choose specific theme and focus on that. It must be measurable, have web analytical tools like Google Analytics to track users and usage. It must be actionable, outline a step-by-step process and break down the process of creating content into manageable chunks. It must be realistic, set realistic goals based on your expertise and experience in content development. It must be time-based. Your content development plan should be properly outlined, scheduled and consistent. According to George Beck, 5 major trends in content development and management are predicted. More smarter content which are actionable. Innovative content services with artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning that are delivered just in time is what we expect now. A clear-cut move away from the just-in-case concept with generalist content. Second, omni-channel delivery through headless content hubs based on the cloud infrastructure is going to provide a seamless access to content across platforms and applications. Efforts are on to break through content silos and deliver task-centric digital experience through digital asset management systems. Personalization engines made its mark in the 2017 with several deployments in e-commerce to segment their different audiences to channel product offers based on the profile and purchase history. Similar facility of personalized content delivery is expected in the other sectors as well. For instance, libraries can provide personalized services based on their user's profile and past access record of the e-journal databases. Finally, users look for solutions to verify and trust the origin of the digital content flowing to them from different sources. Content provenance is a major concern and major efforts are on to provide digital experience in a trusted environment. In conclusion, we can say that content is the king. Make your content future ready. With this, we conclude this part of the video. In the next part, we will be discussing web content management. Thank you.